I mean, why?
I will always love you.
Jump in the Rover and come over. Tell your friends jump in the GS3. I got the chronic by the tree. I love it when you call me Big Papa. Throw your hands in the air if you's a true player. I love it when
Dad, you like it?
Are you kidding me?
Right? This is so much fun.
Are you serious?
Dude, you're ruining our bubble bath.
What have you done to my cats?
We're just enjoying our time.
This isn't normal.
Yes, it is.
There's nothing about this is normal. Oh my god. Let me get you guys out. Hold on. Give me just a towel. Let me get a towel.
Tell me, how was your life as a youngster?
Ruthless, my style is a juvenile. Ran with a gang, slanged in the meanwhile, banking. I specialize in ganking, right?
Yo miro su diente, yo le vuelvo. ¿Qué le hicieron a usted? Ese man que viene siempre me hace maldades. Sí. ¿Quién le hace maldades a ese gato? ¿Quién le hace maldades a ese gato? Ey, no seas tan tío.
What? What are you doing to our cat? I gotta teach him how to shave. Jump in the Rover and come over. Tell your friends jump in the GS3. I got the chronic by the tree. I love it when you call me Big Papa. Throw your hands in the air if you's a true player. I love it when you call me Big Papa.
No, it's my turn to sleep with Chase. Come on, Chase. Come on.
This one go with you.
I want him to sleep with me. Come on. Ow! Come on.
See?
Chase, you're so mean. Ugh.
I'm sorry, are we expecting? Well, I gotta empathize and so I kick him out of bed. So you put my cat in a bassinet.
Hi, guys. Oh, come on, Chase. I know you want to sleep next to me. Oh.
Okay, you guys are all buckled in? You too, honey.
Seatbelt stuck.
My cat hates my boyfriend, just wait.
Oh no. Oh no. Oh no, 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 no.
She's taking away the seed.
What are you guys watching?
Let's Chase's favorite show.
Okay, but where are the rest of the cats?
It's a guys' night only.
Guys' night only? Well, I don't think that's fair, okay? Come on, let's go. I'm breaking up this guys' night.
He doesn't want to
Yes,
go with you.
come on. Come on, bud. You gotta have, look, you gotta be fair with the
Chase,
other cats.
Come back. Come back. You're missing the best part. Look. Look. Look, you took the seat back.
Ugh, this is ridiculous. I'm gonna go get the rest of the cats. You got it. Come on. Let's go. Oh, come on. Let's just act like we like each other. Come on, just for one night. You can do it. Oh, my goodness. What was that for? So for... Hey, you don't have a choice. You don't have a choice. Just... Finally, we get to go out and have a...
Ready?
What's this?
Nothing. Come on, leave him.
Are you serious?
Yeah, let him go with us.
We can't have one night alone.
No.
He's not going. Come on, get out. You're not going.
Come
Get out.
on.
What is this?
It's our new merch.
Where's mine?
We didn't make one for you.
Can you just share the blanket?
No, it's not enough for all of us.
What do you mean, all of us?
For all of us.
No, not this again.
You think I was gonna have movie night without them? Sky, come back! Millie! You scared them off.
You could sleep on the freaking couch tonight.
Okay, Chasey, what do you want to watch?
Babe, what are you making?
Making scrambled eggs.
What are you doing with my cat?
He's my helper for today.
God. Chase, get out of there. Get out.
He wants to stay with me.
Get out. This is weird. Come here. No, get out.
He wants to stay with me.
Oh.
Okay, Chase, let's continue.
Where are those cats? Babe, have you seen the cats?
No, I haven't seen him.
I gotta cut their nails and I can't find them anywhere. Wait, are you hiding them?
No.
Why are you wearing your jacket in the house?
Cold inside here.
Okay, well stop being a cheap ass. Just turn on the heat. And I gotta go. I'll just do this later.
Okay, guys, she left. Let's go. Come on, guys. Let's go, Sky. Let's go. You have to count on 3 to put him back.
Or what?
1.
Oh, okay.
2.
Okay. I have the cat. Just let me put him down.
Put him down.
Let me put... Back up. Back up. Okay, I got you, buddy. Okay.
Come on, Chase, let's go.
Hey Cooter, wake up, we have to count. 1, 2, 5, 6, 9, 10.
Okay, there is no way you can guess what I have inside this box. Unless maybe you guessed a cat wearing a flower hat? Show him.
You began to wonder why you came. Where did I go wrong? I lost a friend somewhere alone in the bitterness.
Jesus, still a long day. Why is the house a mess? You guys?
Mom's here. Let's go. Come on, Chase, let's go. Come on, Chase, let's go. Come on. Come on, Chase, let's go. Come on. Come on.
With the neighborhood cat, and you know what? She deserves to know what you did. You are not guilty. Apologize to Millie now, or I'm gonna take her away from you. Apologize. No. Apologize. Apologize to her now. Apologize. Face your actions. Take ownership